Hey guys, this is Neeraj sir from Sheshidu here. I know you guys are extremely busy with your SYJC exams, Maharashtra board exams preparation. All the best. Work hard. I want rocking performance from all of you. अरे सर तो फिर अभी आप हमको क्यों हैरान कर रहे हो? Wait. In this video, I am going to address all the concerns raised by the students who are looking forward for CA Foundation September 25 exam. Yes. Till 3rd March, you guys are occupied with your SYJC Maharashtra board exam. After 3rd March, few of you might be busy for a week's time for your IT subject exam. But by large, you will be free by 3rd of March. तो सर आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो? See, I am going to discuss various points. So the first point is, sir, on which day the lectures will start? What is the date of completion, date of commencement? How long we have to attend every day? Blah blah blah. So as far as schedule of Shesh Educare is concerned, I believe that post your 12th standard exam, you should get a decent gap. Freshen up. Take a break. Hence, we will be starting the lectures from 28th of March 2025. It's a Friday. And our commitment, Shesh commitment, is to complete your portion by 31st of July. Mind it, that's the official date. I am mostly telling you that we will complete the portion by 15th of July. But yes, official date of completion is 31st of July. Sir, when will be our CA Foundation exam here? Mostly in the end of second week, third week, beginning in the month of September. So sir, then there is a huge gap of 1.5 months. Exactly. In that 1.5 month gap, you are not going to play kabaddi, but we will be having, we'll try to hold 5 prelim exams. Just before your exam begins, 1 week you will be at home, exclusively at home. You will not be seeing Shesh Educare premises at home. Last 1 week you will be at home. So as far as tenure is concerned, we start from 28th of March and we go on till last week. You will be in touch with Shesh Educare, you will be under Shesh Educare guidance, you will be having revision lectures, doubt solving, paper solving, blah blah blah. This was about timing. Sir, daily how many hours are you going to harass us? Well, till college does not reopen, you will have lectures from 12:31 and it will be up to 7:38. So daily you will have 5 to 6 hours lectures, 7 hours lectures with half an hour break. We will keep 2 subjects and that is how we will continue the lectures. After reasonable amount of portion is over, we will start test series. We will start test. तो सर ये टेस्ट का क्या शेड्यूल होगा? Very simple. After reasonable amount of portion is over for each subject, what we are going to do is we are mostly going to keep 1 test per week. So after reasonable amount of portion is over per subject, we will be keeping weekly test. This will be for subject, for particular chapters. So how we will come to know? Yes, Shesh Educare is a system where we announce weekly timetable on our website. In that timetable only, in that schedule, you will be given instructions as to what subject and what chapters and for how many months the exam will be held. It is in black and white. So you even absent or your friend has attended more lectures, you don't have to consult anybody, you will get it from the website. In black and white, it will be in writing. Sir, like that, how many tests we will conduct? We will conduct as many tests as we wish to. Correct? Sir, when these tests are conducted, will you be giving us time for self-preparation and all? Very simple it is. Typically, I will be conducting these tests on Sunday. If I am conducting the test on Sunday, Saturday, either I will give you complete off. Saturday, I will keep only 1 lecture so that you get extra time to prepare yourself so that you are well prepared and then you are appearing for the test. I do not want you to come for the test as a formality and I do not want to conduct the test as a formality. It should be a win-win situation for both of us. We are a team, right? So, as far as tests are concerned, you can say on every chapter of each subject, you will at least appear 2 times or 3 times because we will try to keep the test on recurring basis. Yeah. This was weekly test. As I have already mentioned, please remember, once we complete our portion, once we complete our revision, doubt solving sessions, etc., by 31st of July, we will have 5 prelims as per ICA. 4 you will appear in the class, come to the class and appear. Maybe 5th prelim I will send you one day before the exam. Right? All these papers will be checked by specialized, assigned people who will be doing the paper checking job. They are not going to be the part of your teaching staff. Their job is to check the paper, their job is to set the papers. You will come to know how you are performing, where you have gone wrong. They will mention where things requires improvement, and I'll be assessing every time what's happening for particular subject as well as for all the papers that we are conducting. So if required, I will intervene. Let's hope that day does not come, right? Well, now some of you will say, sir, we want to understand CA Foundation, ICAI, paper pattern, and how many marks the exam is, etc., etc., etc. So yes, everything about CA Foundation exam. There are 4 papers: fundamentals of accounting, law, business laws, quantitative aptitude, that's your maths, stats, and something called logical reasoning, and of course your favorite and my favorite and everybody's subject, economics. Each paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4 carries 100 marks. Paper 1 is fundamentals of account, paper 2 is business laws and mercantile law. 100 marks, it's a subjective paper. Here there is no multiple choice question, neither for accounts nor for law. Don't listen to social workers. Paper 1 as well as paper 2, accounts and law, are subjective papers. Long answers, long questions, how you have been solving, that type of paper pattern will be there. As far as paper 3 and paper 4 is concerned, that is quantitative aptitude and economics, it is purely 100 marks MCQ, multiple choice questions. And negative marking is there only for multiple choice questions. Out of 4, suppose you have scored 67 in maths, I am giving an example, and your 4 answers are wrong, that 67 will become 66. Matlab, for every wrong answer, you will lose 0.25 marks. So, 4 answers wrong way, so 1 mark ka nuksan. Now, you will say, sir, what about that particular question marks? Don't talk like an idiot, no. If you have not attempted a particular question or your particular question answer is wrong, then anyways you don't score marks for it. Negative counting ka matlab samajh. Whatever marks you have scored for other questions which are right, from that, if your 4 answers are wrong, 1 mark will be deducted. This is to discourage the mentality of just marking anything. A, B, C, D, D, B, C, A, वो सब नहीं है. You have to attempt. Well, this was for your subjects and type of exam that ICAI is going to conduct in the month of September. Now, sir, how typically you train, you coach at Shesh Educare and will be allowed to have, online lectures? Will you provide us backup lectures, recorded lectures, etc., etc., etc.? Yes. See, in last 25 years, I have understood one thing for sure, that there cannot be a substitute for a student of not coming to the class and learning the subject from the teacher who is present in front of him. So we give utmost importance to physical classroom lecture attending. Yeah. I am teaching you, you are in front of me, what you are writing in your notebook, I can see what you are reading, what you are thinking, I can see from your face value and guide you. You can ask me on the spot if you don't understand something and ask other faculties. That's how it is. It is two-way interaction. Yes, at times you are not well. At times, because it is April, May, June, maybe some marriage function or some other important assignment and nobody is there in the family. So you have to go with your family out of town. Then what are you going to do? Don't worry. We will give you online live access to the lectures that we conduct in the exam. Technology is very much there. You can attend the lectures only in case of emergency, not as a regular practice. Yeah. Third, suppose you can't even attend online lecture because you're severely ill. You just can't come, can't sit in front of laptop also at home. Or a particular place which you have visited, there is no internet connection. So, फिर तो मेरा lecture पूरा गया. No. All lectures, practically all lectures, will be recorded in the class, and these lectures will be available whether you were present or not present for your future references for revision through our Shesh Educare app of your batch only. Under we have a system through Shesh Educare app. You will get access to all the lectures which have taken place in your batch. 3 times you can easily view those lectures. Don't try to download it. You cannot, because it is all encrypted, protected. After watching the lecture for 3 times, if you want access more number of times, you can always come to the admin part and you can request them. They will give you the access. No worries. No worries at all. See guys, CA Foundation is the easiest CA exam because this foundation. Out of 4 subjects, 3 subjects you already know. Accounts, 65% chapters you already know. I said you know the chapters. Level will be obviously different, but at least 65% of the chapters you know something. As far as maths and stats is concerned, almost everything is what you have done in 11th and 12th. अरे सर तो फिर मैंने तो मैथ्स लिया ही नहीं 11th and 12th में, तो मैं क्या करूँ? Remember, whether you are a math student or non-math student, this is going to be multiple choice question exam. Maths के लंबे लंबे long questions answer नहीं करने होते हैं. What you must know is your concept, which any which ways we will not assume that you know it. We will teach, we will make you prepare, we will thoroughly make you understand all the concepts in the class. So even if you are a non-math student, don't worry about it. अंदर की बात है. A non-math student will do one thing always after maths lecture gets over. He will go home and he will sit and solve all the problems which professor has done in the class. Same thing, by default. While solving those problems, if you struggle, you can always go back to the professor and consult. This was about maths. Please understand, we will make sure that you enjoy every lecture, you enjoy every subject, and we go in a very positive and affirmative stand that we will clear CA Foundation exam not in attempts but in single attempt only. Admissions for September 25 batch are on कब से? If you still have any doubts, you can come and meet our counselors. If you want to discuss with me in person, please fix up the appointment. For any problem of yours, we are there to cater you. We are certainly there to cater you. So, all the best for the time being for your SYGC exam. Gentle reminder that all admissions for September 25 are on. You're most welcome to enroll yourself. Admissions are on from long time back. But of course, the lectures are going to start on 28th of March, so don't be under the impression that on 27th March you will come to the respective branch and ask for admission. You may not get admission. There is one more thing where students are very much concerned, and that's about doubt solving sessions. Well, I assume that you have already understood that we will be giving you the recorded lectures for reference, for revision only. So there won't be any revision lecture again in the class. Correct? But yes, students can always have doubts. And then, sir, what about doubt solving? So very simple it is. As far as practical subjects are concerned, as soon as we complete the chapter from our textbook, you should complete the chapter from the study module. The moment you are solving the study module of ICAI, if you struggle, you can always come and discuss your doubts, difficulties. Don't keep it pending till last. So respective professor will announce of this chapter will be checked. This chapter doubts will be solved throughout 4 months. As I was giving you a hint that we will be completing the portion mostly by 15th of July. So 15th का 20th July भी हुआ. तो we have a gap of almost 7 to 8 days for sure, जिसमें जितनी बार आपको चाहिए, we can discuss your difficulties. Yes, but all this has to be communicated to us in advance. Right? So there is a provision. I do not want to use this provision only at the end of the year, but I want you to use this provision time during 4 months only. But if required, we can do it at the end of 4 months also. So there will be doubt solving lectures held where your all doubts on one-on-one basis will be sorted. So I think I'm very loud and clear about what I have communicated. One, we keep on solving doubts as and when the chapter gets over in the classroom. At the end, in last 1 week, each professor we will assign a day where your so-called difficulties at the end can also be discussed. Now you'll have a difficulties, doubts, everything will be sorted, and then only you will appear for our prelim exams. Now your next question will be, sir, what if you will have doubts in prelim exams? You will always appear in the class. The moment you are home, you will be sent a PDF where all solutions are there, all working notes are there, all explanation is there. So I don't see any chance that you have any doubt, difficulty in those questions. In case you have the same, please communicate at the respective admin people. They will communicate to the professors and it can be sorted. So don't worry on that. I don't say that I don't want to have difficulty sessions, etc., but what I'm just trying to make it very loud and clear, don't keep it only at the end. This has to be the process that we should follow during 4 months. Guys, CA Foundation is the easiest CA exam because it is an entry level exam, right? Since it is CA Foundation entry level exam, we have a fair chance of securing maximum marks. My approach should be aggressive. I should be aggressively scoring 300 plus if I'm a non-math student for sure, and 350 plus if I'm a math student. Yeah, that's our target. No way I want to clear my CA Foundation exam in attempts. No way. That's a CA Foundation. We have to clear in first attempt so that my CA journey continues. Not in attempts, but in single attempt. Anything else that you wish to know, you can contact our counselors, meet them, discuss with them. If you still have anything else running in your mind which you want to discuss with me in person, please fix up the appointment. Our lectures are going to start from 28th of March, but admissions are on from long time back. So you're most welcome to come and enroll, find out and then enroll at our respective centers. We will be having September 25 CA Foundation batches at both our centers, at Dadar and also at Opera House, which is just next to Nanacho. That's all, guys. I don't say I hope to see you in the class, blah, blah, blah. But I will say, first, all the very best for your SYJC exam. Full focus should be on SYJC exam. And of course, post SYJC with gap so that you can get recharged and start attending the lectures on 28th of March. So yes, now I say, I will see you on 28th of March. See you guys. Bye.